All right, now it's time to start solving our equations. We're going to start with the properties of parallelograms on page 12. Now we've written all these equations down already. Now all we're doing is solving. It's just algebra from here on out. So let's see. First thing we need to do is we need to combine like terms. We've got 80 and negative 10. Combine those, we get 70. We've got the 11x all by itself equals 180. Notice I'm keeping my equal signs lined up. We're going to subtract 70 from both sides, which leaves us with 11x equals 110. We're then going to divide by 11 on both sides. We end up with x equals 10. All right. Next, we're going to start out. We've got 2x plus 15 equals x plus 15. We need to get rid of this x over here, so we only have x's on one side. So we'll subtract x from both sides. That leaves us with 2x minus x is just x. X minus x is 0. Got our 15s there. We're going to subtract 15 from both sides. And we end up with x equals 0. Down here, we're going to combine like terms again. We've got 6x and 9x combined to make 15x. 15 and 15 combined to make 30. And that leaves us with 180 on the other side. We're going to subtract 30 from both sides. And that leaves us with 15x equals 150. We're going to divide by 15 on both sides. And that's going to leave us with x equals 10. All right, next up. Oh. All right. So up here we have combine like terms. This is number 14, 35 and 5 combined to make 40. That's positive 40. 14x, nothing to combine that with, equals 180. We're going to subtract 40 from both sides. That leaves us with 14x over here and 140 over here. We're going to divide by 14 on both sides. And that leaves us with x equals 10. Number 15, and this one's pretty straightforward. We're just going to subtract 1 from each side, and we end with x equals 6. Next, we're going to combine like terms. 50x and 130x combine to make 180x.
You're in the building. You have a ride waiting for you in the main office.
We're going to divide both sides by 180. And we're left with x equals 1. All right, next up. First, this is number 17. We're going to add 7 to both sides. That leaves us with 5x equals, 38 plus 7 is 45. We're then going to divide by 5 on both sides. And we're left with x equals 9. Moving down, number 18. See, we've got 3x and 4x we need to get rid of the variables from one side. I'm going to put the variables over here because that way I can just subtract 3x on both sides. I won't have any negatives then. So minus 3x minus 3x leaves us with 3 equals 1x, or just x, minus 4. Then I'm going to add 4 to both sides. And we're going to end up with 7 equals x. All right. And that's it for parallelograms.